Let's play outside. Hi! Hi! Max, I love playing outside. But look, there's a plastic bottle on the ground.
Yeah, Lily, it's not good for the earth. We should recycle.
What's recycling, Max?
Recycling means we turn old things into new things, like turning old plastic bottles into toys.
See, Lily, we put plastic bottles, paper, and cans in different bins.
Wow, like a special sort of sorting game. Let's use this big can for the body.
Great idea. And the bottle caps for the eyes.
He's finished.
Recycling makes me feel like an inventor.
That's because you are. Recycling is all about creating something new and fun. First we use things, then we collect them for recycling. And factories turn them into new toys, bottles, or clothes.
Where do all our recycling bins go?
They travel to Recycling Center, where machines sort and clean everything.
Wow, look at those machines. They're sorting all the bottles.
Yep, each one finds its right place. That's teamwork.
No way! That old cloth became a t-shirt?
And those cans turned into toys. Recycling turns trash into treasure.
Max, did you know recycling saves energy too?
Yes! Making new things from recycled materials uses much less energy than making them from scratch.
Okay, paper cup fly, recycle or compost?
Recycle!
And banana peels go to compost.
We don't always need to throw things away.
Right. Reusing is like recycling at home, hey, and it's super fun. Our flowers will grow in recycled pots.
And every plant we grow helps make the air fresh and clean. Oh no, look at all this plastic near the water.
That's why recycling is so important. It keeps oceans clean and sea animals safe.
Look how much cleaner it looks now.
Every little bit we recycle helps the planet breathe better.
Oh no, someone left plastic in the park.
Don't worry, we'll clean it up and recycle it. The park will look beautiful again.
Look how clean it is now. The earth must be smiling.
You're right, Lily. When we care for the planet, it cares for us too.
Look, even birds recycle. They use old twigs for new nests.
That's true.
Nature shows us that recycling is part of life. Let's all recycle and keep our world bright and clean.
Every small step makes a big difference. Let's do it together.
Recycling keeps our world bright and clean.
And together, we can make a big difference, one bottle at a time.
The earth is happy when we take care of it.
And it's up to all of us to keep it that way. Let's recycle every day.